Hello, in this little video I will show you how to use input fields in Word documents and use those as variables and how to find this stuff in Word macros. So what we have here is a Word document, and in this Word document we will enter an input field for entering a name, for example. When we go to the menu and there's a developer area, developer tools, and we may enter here a simple field. This is a text only field. There's also a drop down list, or all this stuff is simple fields which are embedded in the Word document. And this stuff is not ActiveX. You may embed it there and it will run. Okay, so we say here, give me my name, enter. Yeah, okay. And then I will click on there, and as soon as I do this, it embeds this small field which says, okay, click on here or tip on here to enter this text. So now I say, okay, Raymond, my name is Raymond Pop. And when I click on there, we need these properties. The properties is first the title. This is these three little points. This is my name, for example, yeah, without trailing space key. And then the tag is important. The tag is nothing else than the content control name. So I say here content control name of this field, or sometimes I always use control name field, control field 1. Field 01, for example, or variable 1. Okay, so this is the name which we are searching for in our macro and which we are reusing. And then we have an option field which says, okay, locking. This is the lock the input. Keep care that people will not delete this field. It's not, it locks the field, so, and we have the input in green, so you can't delete it anymore. When I type now the delete key, that's not possible. So in a formula, in a input form, then people may do they are not allowed to delete the field itself, because this happens sometimes. Okay, now when we are here, we have our input field, and people may type something in there. Now we're using the macro, and now here I already prepared one, and I will show you how this works. Here we have the macro, and we go here to edit. First we have to say, okay, place your macro in the normal template here on this document. So when you place the code there, the code is not in the current file. This is the current file. Place the code in this document from the template, from the general template standard, because then your code is always on your Word application and it's not on the document. As soon as you close the document, and you need a docm extension document with macros, and people don't like macros in the document, so place it in there. Okay, and now we say, okay, as soon when we are there and somebody starts the macro, give me the active document which is on the top of the Word application. And then we are looking for our content control name, which is name content control. And in the content control, we have to check if this one exists. So we do this by looping through document content controls, run through all content controls, and give me for each content control, check if the tag name is the name from this from which we are searching for, and if it exists, give me exists. Otherwise, jump out of this and do something else. Otherwise, give me an error message. And then finally we say, okay, the control which I have found, give me the range there from that text. Okay, so this is the range of the control, and inside the range is the text. So when we run now the macro, then we run it, and then will come the result which says, okay, this is the content control and the text inside of the range, and this is what it found. Why are we using this this little demo or code? Sometimes if you have a Word document, you may when the document is from a client, for example, a medicine case, then you have to enter the name there, and if somebody enters runs a macro, all pictures, photos are implemented in the document by this variable. So that's the reason why we are writing this one. So I hope I could help you, some people, with this little code stuff. I have dropped the code also on my blog website, and if you have some questions, call me, and if you like this video, please make some subscriptions so that I will go on there. Call me. Sometimes we have some solutions for that stuff, and I hope I see you next again.